Alright guys, good morning. We're back at SSP. Today we're working on the 94 NSX. We're going to go ahead and take this front bumper off the car.
Wow.
There's
Somebody had that thing rattled on there.
There's a screw here. There's a screw here. Number 12. You can see this 12 right here. And there's a 12 behind here. So this one's the easiest one to access. They both have it on both sides. This one right here, there's these two little Phillips screws right here. I don't know if you see it. Oh hell, here look. These two screws here. These are rusted. You have a hard time pulling those off or what?
Well, you might be using the wrong screwdriver too.
That's possible.
Morning.
Good morning. I'm sorry, I didn't want to interrupt.
And it doesn't want to. Aha! There it is. So we got 112 here. We got 112 here. There's one behind here. Gotta get a really long screwdriver because there's a little slot for this thing. It goes in and it's a Phillips screwdriver. I can't. You won't be able to see with the camera. Let me undo it. And if you live in a state that's got a lot of water, rain, whatever, it's gonna be hard to undo this screw. It's spring loaded, so it will pop up eventually.
Interesting assortment of nuts and bolts.
Interesting, this doesn't want to come out. It's spring loaded, but usually it just wants to come forward.
There you go.
Yeah, I don't want
Oh, you're hanging up on something. Hold on a second.
to. Here, put this over there real quick.
Well, look, still working on that.
I need the flashlight, Rich. Oh, we're trying to figure out what's wrong with
Yeah,
the.
we're trying to look in there.
Oh, I see.
Hold on.
I see. It's got a. It's been in here for so long that it's just glued to each other. What the hell? Somebody do.
I don't know. The thing's been monkeyed with. I'll tell you that.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, somebody's. You got a situation going there. That's all mess. That's wrong.
Oh. So,
That metal clip should be out here.
no, it sits in there.
Is it back in that corner?
Yeah.
Like that?
This is what I was talking about right here. That screw is hard to get out. Sometimes it rusts and doesn't want to pop out. That's why I was tapping on it when I got it loose. So let it come down because it's got a clip right here that at the very end doesn't want to release. So there's that. We gotta do the same the other side. Richard, you get the tens out for me already?
Not on that side because you guys were working.
On this side?
I'll get them.
All right. All right, here, look. Get back here. So you can see. See this right here? And there's one right here. They'll hit the bottom right here. These two tens hold the bumper to the fender. You take these two tens out. Richard already has taken them out, so we're just showing you that this and this 10 needs to be pulled out. You just pull them out on the other side. And then there's a 10 that sits right here on this. You know, if you see the bolt hole for it right here. See it?
Yep.
10 goes that way. This holds this bottom lip to the fender. If you take this bolt out and these two bolts out, this fender, the bumper will come completely loose from the fender. The last thing we need to take off. See, Richard's already taken off this 12 and this 12 over here. There's one more 12 right there. We saved those for last.
Do you want to disconnect to show it how to disconnect that?
Light? We can do that. I want to go ahead and take this.
Put this back in.
I want to go ahead and take this last. This is going to be rough. I don't know if this one likes me.
He doesn't have any complimentary plastic bags, only the ones you bought. He said that are up here somewhere.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, I see. Here, these are the wires.
This rubber seals are just glued. And if you're using this tool, if you catch the lip of this, you're going to ruin this. That's why I was slowly prying it to get back in the back to give it a nice tug.
Don't forget now, Stevie doesn't have that button for the front of that bumper.
Yeah. And you get these unplugged. There's one here. This is a temp sensor. And it might be a little rough because of the dust and crap that builds into them. Okay, those are out. We're just gonna go and take that last bolt out on that side.
And we got the two up there.
No, the two up there don't need to come off. They come off with the bracket.
Okay.
When you pull the bolts out, the bumper shouldn't fall because it's got these little clips it sits on. And then there's
It's not tight.
one more thing to pull off. The lights here, they have a little clip in the back side over here. There's a little clip right here on the light. I don't know if you can see it or not. Here, I'll show you right here. This guy right here, see this guy? It clips in. You could just, if you just go like, just push it like this, it releases from there and it comes out. You can push the little pin and pull the broken light bulb out. And then, again, Richard's pulled out the bolt that goes here. There's 110 up there, 110 right here. Those are out. This bumper is ready to come off. So if you come to the front, and probably best to do with two people. Richard's already got these 3 bolts out. Everything's out. Bumper's still hanging by itself. There's number 12 bolts like this. And they sit 1, 2, 3 on both sides. These are the bolts that hold the reinforced bar bumper all to the car. So these 3 have to come out. We've got them all out. So this bumper needs to just go up an inch and pull out. So when you pull this off, there's going to be a water bottle, and it's going to want to leak everywhere. This is a stop tech kit. Your stock brakes has these little black rubber nipples that sit on the bleeder valves. On the factory calipers, they pop off. You can just pull all these rubbers off, and you can cap that washer tank when you pull it off because it's the same size. You just pop it on. This is here just to prevent dust and crap from getting in it. So I don't want to take this one off because it's obviously attached, but usually the stock one has it, and you can just pull it off and plug it. There's a duct in the middle.
Okay.
It's right here, it's right in the middle. There's a 10. It sits right in the middle. I'll show you guys once we get it off.
Is that a 12 or a 10?
It's a 10. It says right here.
Now
I got the water bottle.
is that what you want?
Yeah. So we unplugged that, the 2 horns, and this before we took the bumper off because it was easier. When we took the bumper off, there's a plug right here. This plug needs to be unplugged, and then we had to undo that nipple here. If we had it off one of the original brakes, we just cap it for the time being. It would work just fine. But anybody up for a cup of power windshield washer fluid? Let me know. That number 10 bolt we were pulling out, it was this bolt. This sat right here